Just put in the middle of the hands and
women in the pastoralist communities have always had a challenge during their menstrual period, and they have not been having like the right towels to use. They are very expensive. They are not readily available, so they resorted to using not very hygienic pieces of cloth. And after a conversation with them, we came up with 3 types of sanitary towels. And the first one was the disposable towel, which was very expensive. It was not very friendly to the environment, and disposing was a problem. And we also had the moon caps, which the women didn't like because of the continuous inserting and removing. And there were also many myths and misconceptions surrounding the moon caps. And then at the end of the day, the women accepted to use the reusable sanitary towel, which is more friendly. It is pocket friendly. It's rewashable. So you have 2 or 3, you wash it, use, and then keep it for next time.
Hii huwezi tupa. Mtoto hawezi rokota. Unajua watoto ni mbaya, ataweza tu hata kutupa ile tunaenda kutupa. Sisi hatuna mashoo vile. Tutaweza tu kutumia, unatupa kwa msituni tu, mtoto mwingine apate ashukue hii ni nini. Sasa hii ni mzuri sana.
Next time when we come back, we're going to, once they've learned how they work and how to use them, then they will be able to have some kits where they will be able to make them themselves. So it becomes hugely sustainable and empowering for them.